Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And I just purchased this Kenwood double cassette deck model KX-W8060. I picked this up for a couple reasons. One, I love vintage equipment. Two, I'm helping out my singer who had a couple homemade tapes that he had his family record using a old school microphone, and he wanted to bounce that over to a CD. And I'm just doing some basic maintenance. I just cleaned both the recording and the playback heads with some rubbing alcohol here. And they weren't too bad, but you could still see that there was some junk on there. And both decks work just fine. The capstan motors sound good. There's no scratchiness or there's no missing teeth or anything like that. And also the belts don't seem to have a lot of wear on them. The good thing about all this is that this is from 1993 and quite impressive on, if you are interested in seeing a gut shot, the power capacitors here. Everything is in good working order. The fluorescent display is really, it's not, you see the flickering on the camera, but that's because of the frame rate, but it's not dim or anything like that. And again, both decks work just fine. I'm going to get this button back up here, and thankfully it did not need too much work other than just a decent cleaning. I will do some subsequent videos on this. I actually don't have any pre-recorded cassettes because, well, it's an older format. But I love vintage stuff, and glad to see that these things are still surviving to this day, and the price was right. It wasn't terribly expensive, and it's going to fit the bill for this little project. And if I wind up finding other cassettes, as I rebuild this component system, my wife's got the Kenwood receiver in the other room here, and her parents actually have her speakers, the speakers that actually sit this high. I don't know if they work or not, but hey, it'd be a nice little home project to do to put it back together. And hey, you know, it's a nice little vintage thing to have from our childhood. I'm liking it. Till the next project, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care.